Howdy YouTube, it's your buddy Ian for the Fix My House channel, and I just put out some LED wafer lights in the ceiling in my kitchen and bathroom, and check this out. This light is $16 at Home Depot, and this light is $27 at Home Depot, and in this video, I'm going to tell you why I chose to put in this light instead of other ones, and why you might want to also. Let's do it. So right off the bat, if you're new to the LED wafer light thing and you're going to put them in your house or somewhere, check out this video. I made 5 tips on installing LED flush mount lights. That's really going to help you out. The thing with this $16 light compared to the $27 light, okay, they're the same lights, essentially the same fixture, but you'll notice right here, this big black box. And that is really important, especially if you're doing this DIY. So imagine you have your wires coming down from the hole you've already drilled in the ceiling. Again, that's covered in the other video. This is the junction box for this light, the light that is $16. And the reason that matters is because if you are going to do this DIY, this is the connections you're going to need to make. And what that means is you're going to be dealing with the weight of the fixture the whole time you're trying to make the connections. Now, I understand why this company has made kind of a good, better, best setup of these lights, but having installed the other version of the lights and now understanding how this would work, I just don't recommend this for DIYers because it's going to be such a pain in the ass having all the weight of this light on you while you're trying to make these wire connections. So let's take a look at the other one. So right off the bat, this is the junction box for this light, okay? So I'm gonna set this light down. We're just gonna talk about this for a second. So imagine you have your wire coming down through your hole in your ceiling that you've drilled, and now you have this nice convenient box, which weighs definitely less than the light. And then on top of that, again, for an additional $10, you've got all these what are called wire nuts that make it very easy, especially for a DIYer, to make these wire connections. Here, neutral, hot ground. So you're going to cut your wires, you're going to make these connections, and they stay in there really, really easily, okay? Then you just tuck all your connections back in here, your wire's coming through here, you've already punched this out, and you're closing this box, and then you're just pushing that up into the hole that you've drilled, and now you've got this connection coming down. And that's what makes this so easy, and I think worth the additional $10. So now you have this dropping down. This is just a connection for the light. So now we've got our light right here, and all you're doing once you have these dropped down from the ceiling is you're just making this connection. They literally just pop together, and then this tab comes and screws over. So you're not dealing with all the weight of this fixture as you're trying to put it together. And I'm telling you, for a DIYer, that's going to save a lot of time and frustration. Now, the box is in the ceiling. You're literally just taking these tabs, pushing it into the hole one side at a time, and then the pressure on the tabs hold the light in. As you can see here in this video I've taken, this is what the lights look like when they're done. The other thing that makes the $26 light cooler is you can adjust the color temperature right here. This is on the light side of the wire. So I have these set at 3,500 right now. Let me switch this around so you can see. So we'll go down to 2,500, which is a much warmer light. We'll go up to 3,000. We'll go up to 3,500. We'll go up to 4,000. And all the way to cool white at 5,000. Right behind me, this is a pretty soft white style bulb, just to give you an idea. So those are the 2 reasons why I would choose this one, which is $10 more expensive. It gives you a whole bunch more LED hours also compared to the other one. Got this great junction box, which is going to save a lot of time and frustration, and you have the ability to change the temperature of the light. These things are absolutely awesome. If you know anything about what it used to take to get a flush mount light in the ceiling, you know how cool these things are. That's why I would choose the $26 commercial electric 6-inch LED slim color changing recessed kit. This one's from Home Depot. You can find them other places. The link will be in the description. I really appreciate you watching the video, and for more DIY tips, tool reviews, home repair stuff, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for being here on Fix My House. Have a great day.